Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add shake to reveal Instagram story. So in here, I'm going to start by opening the Instagram story camera. Click on the plus icon in here and then you can choose the background. For example, I'm going to use this as the background and then you can add the shake the referral sticker by clicking on the stickers, of course, at the top of your Instagram story. And then there will be this frames option. So just tap on frames and then choose the photo that you want to reveal. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this photo here. You can add a captions. For example, I'm going to just write beautiful. Then I'm going to add emoji like this. You can click on done, and here people can shake this photo to reveal it, so you can just put it anywhere you like and put the position to how you like it. Now you can just upload it, and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.